Hi everyone, welcome to Plus234 YouTube channel. My name is Esther. On this channel, I'm going to be reviewing different service providers and platforms that provide services that are beneficial to Nigerians in the diaspora. So for example, things like shipping to and from Nigeria, money transfer, etc. I already have an Instagram page where I've been sharing this information, so please check it out. It's called Plus234_hub. I'm going to get right into today's review. So as the title suggests, I'm going to be reviewing a platform that I personally used to send money to Nigeria from Canada recently. It's called Lemonade Finance. I'm going to highlight a few things about the platform, and I will also talk a bit about the process as well. First of all, it's an app that you can download for free on any Apple or Android device. It is currently available in Nigeria and in Canada. So if you're in Nigeria, you can use the app to send money within Nigeria and to a few other countries within and outside Africa. If you're in Canada, you can use the app to send money to Nigeria, to the UK, and to Europe. Secondly, it's free, like completely free, not just on your first transfer or on your first 3 transfers. It's always free. And they also have really good exchange rates as well. So you're saving money on your fees and on the exchange rate. So that's a win-win. Now let's talk about the process. Actually, before I go into that, I wanted to tell you guys that if you sign up with my code Plus234, you get 10% cash back on your first transfer of more than $20. So if you send $100, you get $10 back. If you send $1,000, you get $100 back. You get the gist. Just an FYI, you can send up to $4,000 a day if you verify your account by uploading government-issued ID. So your driver's license, your passport. This is a legal requirement by FINTRAC. FINTRAC is the regulatory authority that regulates these types of businesses, I guess. You'll still be able to send money if you don't verify your account, but I recommend that you do. So now let's get into the actual process. So after downloading the app, you sign up with my referral code, and then you need to fund your wallet. This is done through Interact, and all the instructions are on the app. It's basically the same way you would send money to someone through Interact, but this time around, it's going into your Lemonade wallet. It doesn't take long for the money to appear in your wallet. It takes like 5 minutes or less even. So I personally really like this feature because I'm able to separate what I need to send from the rest of my money. So that way I don't accidentally spend what I'm supposed to send. So once your wallet is funded, you hit send, and then you enter the amount of money you want to send. You're also going to see how much the person is receiving in either Naira or pounds or euros, whatever currency you're sending. After that, you select the receiver's bank name. Lemonade supports pretty much all the banks in Nigeria, so there's no need to worry about that. Then you also put in the account number, and then this automatically shows you the receiver's name. Again, I really like this feature because it helps verify that the money is going to the right person, right? Also, I like how straightforward it is. They don't ask you for the person's address, their phone number, their email address. It's just, what's the bank name? What's the account number? That's it. Simple. Once you confirm that the details are correct, you hit send, and that's it. The person gets the money in like 5 minutes. Yeah. That's it, guys. Easy, quick, and free. Also, from time to time, Lemonade adds in new features and new countries that you can send money to and from. And I'll definitely update you guys as to do this. So that's the end of my Lemonade Finance review. I hope you guys found it helpful. I hope to do more reviews like this in the future. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll put all the information in the bio, so how to download the app, my referral code, my Instagram page, which again, please follow, please share. Again, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.